Hey, this is PV from SolRIP, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use SolRIP to resize your NFTs. First of all, let's connect your wallet. Go to the resize page, and here you will see how many NFTs you can resize. First of all, what's resize? Resize is a new update from Metaplex that allows you to resize your NFTs and reclaim some SOL in the process. Here you have some more info in their docs, and you can read and go through this. This is a completely 100% safe process for your NFTs, and you should do it until April 25, 2025. If you don't do it, Metaplex will do it for you, and the SOL will go to the Metaplex DAO. Okay, so that's why you should do it before this date. So let's do this. All you have to do is select all, click on the select all, and let's resize. Go ahead, click here, last check, yes, follow the steps, easy peasy. You just need to confirm, and that's it. Wait a bit. Now, with these NFTs, I have reclaimed this SOL. We can check here in the My NFTs that they are still here, still safe, and it's all good. Thank you for using SolRIP. Keep your wallet safe and clean.